Hello people, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be talking about the 3D Fiber Lash Mascara. This Fiber Lash Mascara is to create a 3D look in your lashes. This is a formula that I am trying. It's from a private label since I want to bring for Silmay Beauty some products that you really like, but before I put my name on it, I would like to try it with you guys. I also want to talk about different brands that have this kind of products. It's unique. Wet n Wild also have one. There's you can find it on Amazon, on eBay with no brand at all, and the brand Tarte have one also. So let's try it. It says that it doesn't clump, it doesn't flake, and it's all about natural ingredients, which you can find in the back of the packaging. All the ingredients and the fiber ingredients that have green tea. You also have big wax, vitamin B5, and acrylates. That one is to keep them separate. I'm gonna try them with you. It's only 4 steps. This 4th step is 15 times each one. So let's try. There's some other people that want to do all of this since it's a process. Let's start over so you can take a look. So step number 1 is to apply in the base. So step number 1 for 15 times. What's interesting about this, I apply so many times and it doesn't get clumpy. It keeps them separate as promised. Okay, here we have the 15 times. And it also curls them a lot, that I can see. Step number 2, with the same number 1, we're going 15 times applying in the tip of the lashes. Only in the tips. Longer and thicker. Okay, very quick. We're going to get those fibers dab them in. Wow. Now that I have them both, I can see the difference. And this one is 15 times also. Make sure putting enough. Wow. I'm gonna start loving it. Guys think now, last step, seal them in. So this is it. The 3D Fiber Lash Mascara. If you guys like it, please comment below. Send me a direct message on Instagram. You're gonna find me as Silmay Beauty. You also can contact me on my email, silmaybeauty@gmail.com. I'm still trying it. I want to see people's reaction. I want to hear about it. I want to read about it. Please let me know if you like it. This is the Fiber Lash Mascara. There's another brands that have it, but this one is, the good thing about it is that it have natural ingredients. As I told you, beeswax, vitamin B5, tea tree, green tea, acrylates. So I think it's maybe more secure for your eyelashes, and it also helps them keep them and growing. So I think it's a very good idea. I love it. What do you think about my lashes? Let me know. Remember following me. Remember subscribing to my channel and take a look to my videos. Thank you. Bye.